In this video we will discuss the different ways to access the elements of the dictionary. The items of a dictionary can be accessed by referring to its key name. To fetch the value from dictionary based on the key, we can use the get method. For example, dictionary name.get method with the key name in parenthesis. We can use the keys method to get the list of all the keys present in a dictionary. For example, dictionary name.keys method. Let's discuss on how to access the element of the dictionary using a program. We will use the same dictionary having 6 key value pair, used in the previous video. First print statement is added to print the value of the key A1. The second print statement is added to print the value of key A1 using a different way. We can use the get method with the key name in parenthesis. When executed, we can see that both the print statements have printed the same results, printing the value as hello. Adding third print statement to get all the keys of the dictionary. When executed, we can see that it has printed all the 6 keys present in the dictionary from key A1 till key A6. So, this is how we can access the elements of a dictionary.